Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure that I introduce to you the first ever Billy's brand ambassador, the talented and beautiful Kim Chiu. Let's give her a big round of applause. Hello everyone.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. You haven't come.
But after we met her, we know the type of person that she is. And Kim Chiu is like a really good self-made story of success. And she's also doing with hard work, perseverance, and it kind of like not just is aligned with our brand, but it's also aligned with a lot of Filipinos' story in terms of hard work and perseverance. And like I said, after we met her and saw her in real life and how she actually performs, etc., we are so glad that we picked her, and because like I said, she's extremely professional. She's really good at what she does, and she's also a fun person and really kind person. So it's kind of like all of this aligns to what we are building at Belize in our family. And so we are so happy that she actually wanted to join us and be part of our amazing journey. And also, we are really confident that with Kim Chiu's influence, it's going to take us to the next level. So, because before we were just relying, to be honest, in probably just our own staff, like most of our assets were made by our same staff. And this time, because we want to go big, we wanted to pick Kim Chiu, which is right now on Google Trends, probably the most famous person in the Philippines. So we were like, if we're gonna do this, we gotta go big, and we gotta pick the right person to do this. Someone that, like I said, is really aligned to all of our values, all missions, and as a company. So by talking about this, that we are so excited with this new chapter with Kim Chiu, we also kind of like put a warm invitation to all potential investors, because this mission is really clear, but also we have a proven track success story happening in the Belize. Like, we have really good numbers, and so kind of like if you're in the fence and you want to invest, I'm pretty sure investing on the Belize is like a really good call, and it's really easy. It's like, I don't know, finding a sale on your favorite shoes. It's like, this is something that is going to happen once in a while, and we're pretty sure that we are going to get where we want. That is, as Bert mentioned and as Garrett mentioned, we want to be the #1 digital payment options in the Philippines. So I think the story and the future of Belize is going to be really bright, together with Kim Chiu now, and also all the things that we are trying to do with Belize in terms of payment methods for the Filipinos, and also a lot of flexible payment methods with installment plans, etc. Our idea is to empower Filipinos as much as they can, so everyone can like rely on whatever you want to buy. You just have to dream about it, use Belize, of course, and pay installments. So it's kind of like any dream that you can think of. Of course, we're not there yet in cars and houses and these big things, but in the small items, whatever you think that you need to get, you can get it with Belize right now. And in the future, like I said, we want to go big, also in terms of transactions, also in terms of tickets. But yeah, it's like, the idea is to make Belize something that every single Filipino is gonna have eventually, like more than a debit or a credit card. So yeah, okay. So they're telling me that finally Kim Chiu is here. So actually I'm not gonna announce her. You can announce her. It's gonna be better. But thank you guys for coming, and remember that Belize, like whatever you want with Belize, is just an installment plan ahead. So thank you so much for coming.
So yeah, thank you so much for staying with us on Monday. And we will, ladies and gentlemen, image growth of our brand really speaks a lot, and this also doesn't end there. Because by year 2025 and also this year, a lot of marketing initiatives will be having from Billie Ease. And one of those big steps, ay ito na, having the first ever brand ambassador of Billie Ease. Well, we're so thrilled to introduce to you our first ever brand ambassador, but before we do, let's take a look first at our new digital ads. Let's all watch this. Wow, and now ladies and gentlemen, we are about to introduce someone really special. Our brand, Billy's, your online hassle-free shopping partner that allows you to buy what you love and pay later with ease, now has its first ever brand ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure that I introduce to you the first ever Billy's brand ambassador, the talented and beautiful Kim Chu. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Hello, everyone. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. You have a premonition that we fell into a rhythm when the music don't stop all night. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, trouble just the way I run. If you feel like you need a little bit of company, maybe it'll come take time. You know me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading, yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're moonlight, starlight, you. All night, come on, dance with me, I'm levitating, moonlight, you're my starlight, you. All night, come on, dance with me, I'm levitating, I'm flying with me tonight, you fly with me tonight, you're levitating for a ride,
Ladies and gentlemen, Billy's brand ambassador, Kim Chu. Let's give her a big round of applause. There we go. Hi, Kim.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, so they would give
Wow. Hello, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon to my new family, Belize. And I'm very excited to be here today. And of course, I'm very excited to be the first ever brand ambassador of my new family, Belize. Thank you so much for having me on board. And I'm very happy and very excited to be the face of the brand. Kaya naman, hindi lang si Billy yung makikita nila sa app. Ngayon, kaming dalawa na po yung makikita ninyo sa app.
Yes, we're also present and live on Facebook.
Hello sa lahat ng mga nanonood online. You can download Billy's app now. Alam mo, as a shopper, sobrang excited talaga ako nung nalaman ko ang tungkol sa Billy's. Kasi you can shop anytime and anywhere. Kasi as long as you may QRPH, pwede ka nang bumili doon without worrying ng kung paano mo siya babayaran. Kasi you can pay in installments and anytime you want.
0% interest rate din.
Yes, pwede na rin sila magbayad ng bills doon using the Belize app. So, lahat talaga hindi na sila mamumblema magbayad.
So how do you feel naman na you were chosen to be like the first ever brand ambassador ng Billy's?
Sobrang na-excite talaga ako kasi very now and very updated yung app na to. Lalo na for everyone na parang nasa smartphone na talaga lahat. And parang mag-shopping, to pay bills, or kahit mag-send ka ng money to your loved ones, yung gano'n. So parang lahat na nasa loob ng Belize. And mabilis lang din mag-avail ng app kasi parang kailangan mo lang mag-download ng app and kailangan mo lang mag-present ng
government ID. Wala nang, kahit na anong cheche borache, go na. Yun na yun. Mabilis sa bilis.
Well, that's Messages, having family right now, especially those mga users and also sa mga magiging users pala.
Yes, for them to worry sa mga payments, mga ganyan, now, tanggalin na nila yung worry nila dahil you can pay with ease with Belize.
Wow. Thank you so much. We're really actually honored to have you here with us, especially now with your newest family,
Yes.
the Belize family. Kaya naman right now, we will be calling on as well sina Sir Garrett Go, Mr. Kurt Molina, and Mr. Jose Fernandez because we will be having our Q&A session with Kim Chu. Ayan.
Wala mga YouTube local.
Hello! Ayan. So, yung mga fans natin.
Akala ko, committee.
Ayan. So, we will be setting up here. Ayan, tayo. Miss Kim. Okay. So, sa ating mga media partners, okay. Yeah, Mr. Jose Fernandez. Also, Mr. Kurt Molina and Mr. Garrett Go. You may take a seat, Miss Kim. Yes. And to our media partners, in a few minutes, we will be opening our floor for Q&A and questions. There you have it. I know that a lot of you have, specific questions as well, and very curious about Belize app and also the benefits that it can give to all the consumers and users. May I request the team as well to have a microphone, but this time around, okay, I guess this will do. Alright. So one microphone for Mr. Jose, for also to be used by Mr. Garrett Go and Mr. Kurt Molina. Alright. So while our media partners are preparing for their questions, let me just start with the first one, okay? So this one is a question for Ms. Kim.